Hi friends. So I was going to show you this on a different camera angle, but I am sick. I just got back from Minnesota a few days ago, and I feel like my sinuses have been hit by a truck, but that's okay. But I wanted to unveil our first clue for Tree of Life. Here is the box that I was waiting on. I have two of these, one for small, one for large. This is the small, so I'm going to reveal our small colorway that we're going to do for Tree of Life. I am not a Cotton Cuts ambassador, but there are many of them. I am doing a large and a small in two different colorways, so you can follow along with either. I did want to show you that if you did not, this is like all 10 clues at once. All of the fabric is in this box for this colorway. If you didn't order your clues to come like this, they will come in a envelope like this. If you got several different clues or several different fabrics or like colorways, you'll get a separate one for each. So for Carnival, I am doing two separate. I'm doing Petting Zoo and Fortune Teller, and they come like this. But this time, I was like, let's try the getting the kit all at once. And also, that means that my clues will be emailed to me, so I need to make sure that I print them off so that I can follow along. All right. I will be sniffly. I'm very sorry. Please bear with me. All right, here we go. I haven't even opened it. I got two, and this one was taking her time. My clue 7 for Fortune Teller is also not here yet. So, and it's Tuesday, so it's the day before Valentine's Day. I didn't get any correct guesses on which colorways I was doing. We'll go ahead and open it like this. Oh, ta-da! I love these little stickers. I always wish that I could keep them, but that's okay. So if you ordered them all in a box, they'll come like this. So, our small is Redwood. So in the box, you're going to get all of your clues. You're going to get your color card. So on the back, it has all 6 fabrics and a binding fabric that has been chosen to go along with these. But this is your key card. Inside, it's got some really helpful information. Facebook group, the day that they ship. So, like, they ship the first Friday. Oh, wait, no, that's the fall. But these should be shipping, I guess it is the first or the last Friday of the month. They ship separately from the fall, is what I thought. But the Facebook group will be able to tell you, and then you have to wait a couple of days before you get it, because the Postal Service takes a while in general. My nose is running, and I apologize. Okay. Of course, my nose hasn't been running for hours, and the moment I start to talk, it's like, we're gonna get all gross on you. Okay, so that's my color card. We are doing Flat Nancy yet again. This time she's blue. Little social media stuff. You'll get Flat Nancy, post it to their website, post it to the Facebook. Oh my gosh, I love stickers. Tree of Life sticker. So cool. Now, I should have, here's clue 1, and it comes with a patch. I don't know what I'm going to do with the patch. I now have 3. I will have 4 in the other box, but I don't know what I'm going to do with them. If you have any suggestions, what you're going to do with yours, let me know. So here's clue 1, clue 2, clue 3, clue 4, clue 5, And 5 has a gift in it. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh, I love these pens. These pens are my favorite. So all of my clues are contained in this box. And we will start with clue 1 shortly. I apologize. I had to blow my nose and cough and take a drink of water. Having a sinus whatever is not for the faint at heart. Anyways, so here's clue 1. And the thing I love about cotton cuts is that everything is already pre-cut for us, right? So I asked in the Facebook group what people do with their past clue instructions, because I wasn't sure, you know, the nostalgia of making a puzzle mystery quilt. I was like, do I want to get rid of them? They don't include any cutting instructions because everything's pre-cut for you. And some people were like, oh, I keep them, I scan them in. And I'm like, you know what, I'm not going to keep them. So I ended up just tossing all of my Village Green instructions. And I wanted to tell you that it's okay to do that. If you don't feel like it's okay to do that. So they included a little thing of introducing their puzzle mystery quilt for spring 2024, and it's their 15th. This is my 3rd. And I can't believe I'm saying that. This is my 3rd. And it's the only, like, basically block of the month that I'm really interested in participating in, because I don't have to cut the fabric myself. I am never going to cut these fabrics for myself ever again. That's why I'm getting rid of the instructions once they're done. And I'm probably just going to keep all of my finished clues in this, you know, cute little box that they sent me so that I don't have to tie up another one of my containers. But we're going to do clue 1 together today. I'm going to do it slightly different. I'm not going to tutorial it at all. I'm just going to sew with you. I'm going to probably speed up my sewing, and then I'm going to show you the finished clues. I'm going to see what format works best for you all. So if you'd like me to do tutorial style like I have been, let me know. I have done them differently for each quilt. I do, and even in Carnival, I do my petting zoo and my fortune teller 2 different styles. So if you have a particular style you like more, let me know. Otherwise, I'm just going to keep doing it until I figure out what works best for me, and it takes the least amount of time to edit, because let me tell you, I did a fortune teller edit and it took me 2 hours to record it, and then it took me twice as long to edit it. So let me know what you guys want. I will be right back with we're going to sew. Okay, so we've got 2 blocks for our small version. See if I can get these instructions to show. So we're going to do 2 blocks, and I'm just going to sew them together. So after I finish talking, all of this will be sped up, and I will show you the finished blocks when I'm done. puzzles, that's it for Tree of Life Clue 1 for Redwood in the small size. Don't forget to take a picture of your Clue 1 with your Flat Nancy and post it to the website. Do it all 10 months if you can. I don't even remember if I've done it all 10 months. I wish there was a tracker to help me remember whether I did it or not. But anyways, this one was an easy one. It took me only about, I would say, 25 minutes to do both A and B blocks. So yeah, I hope that you liked this little video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Please like my video and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell. Likes help the channel get to other puzzle mystery quilt detectives out here on YouTube. So I appreciate all that you do, and I hope that you have a great day. Bye!